Welcome back to the channel. If you want to cook meals faster, easier, and more efficiently, without sacrificing flavor, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the best budget and premium electric pressure cookers with our top 5 picks for 2026, tested for performance, safety, versatility, and overall value. Whether you're feeding a family or want a reliable all-around kitchen workhorse, we've got the best options to help you cook smarter, not harder. Let's dive in. On number 1 is the Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 8 quarts. Is a highly versatile multi-cooker designed to replace multiple kitchen appliances by combining pressure cooking and air frying in one unit, thanks to its unique 2-lid system. One for pressure cooking and one for air frying, allowing you to cook meals quickly and then finish them with a crispy texture without switching appliances. It offers 11 cooking functions, including air fry, pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, bake, roast, and dehydrate, making it suitable for everything from soups to crispy chicken and snacks. The 8-quart capacity is ideal for families or meal prep, handling up to 6 to 8 servings, while the Even Crisp technology helps achieve crunchy results using significantly less oil than traditional frying. In real-life use, it performs impressively for speed and convenience, cooking meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. And the ability to pressure cook and then air fry in the same pot is a major advantage for dishes like meats or casseroles. The build quality is solid, with a stainless steel inner pot and multiple safety features, and cleanup is relatively easy with dishwasher-safe components. However, the dual-lid design can feel bulky and requires storage space, and switching lids mid-cooking may take some getting used to. Some users also find that while the air frying works well, it may not fully match the performance of dedicated air fryers for even crisping. Pros include excellent multifunctionality replacing several appliances, large family-sized capacity, fast cooking performance, ability to pressure cook and crisp in one pot, and strong overall value. While cons include bulky design with 2 lids, takes up counter and storage space, air fryer performance slightly below standalone units, and a learning curve for beginners. Overall, the Duo Crisp is ideal for users who want an all-in-one cooking solution with maximum versatility, making it a great choice for busy households, though those who prioritize perfect air frying or minimal size might prefer separate appliances. On number 2 is the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid. 6.5 quarts, 13-in-1. Is a modern all-in-one multi-cooker built for users who want maximum versatility with less clutter. Featuring a unique single-lid design that handles both pressure cooking and air frying without swapping lids, making it more convenient than older Duo Crisp models. It offers 13 cooking functions, including pressure cook, air fry, slow cook, sauté, bake, roast, steam, sous vide, dehydrate, and proof, along with 1,500 watts power and Even Crisp technology that helps deliver crispy results with less oil. The 6.5-quart capacity is ideal for families, around 4 to 6 servings, and the large display with guided cooking plus app connectivity with hundreds of recipes makes it beginner-friendly and smart to use. In real-life use, it performs very well for speed and convenience, cooking meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods, and the ability to pressure cook and then crisp in one device is extremely practical for dishes like chicken, fries, or roasts. The whisper-quiet steam release and push-button venting improve safety and ease compared to older models. However, while the air fryer function works well for basic crisping, it may not match a dedicated air fryer in evenness and capacity, and the unit itself is bulky and heavy, taking up noticeable counter space. Pros include true 13-in-1 versatility, single-lid convenience, no switching, fast cooking performance, smart app integration, and solid family-sized capacity. While cons include large size and weight, air frying performance slightly below standalone units, and a learning curve for new users due to many functions. Overall, this model is ideal for users who want a powerful, space-saving multi-appliance replacement, making it a great choice for busy families and home cooks who value versatility, though those focused mainly on air frying or compact size might prefer specialized appliances. On number 3 is the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker with Wi-Fi and built-in scale, 6-quart, is a smart, versatile 10-in-1 multi-cooker that brings connected cooking and precision to your kitchen. Combining functions like pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, and more in one device with a family-friendly 6-quart capacity that suits everyday meals and batch cooking. One of its most notable features is the built-in scale, which automatically weighs ingredients so you can add the right amount of liquid without guesswork, simplifying prep and reducing cleanup compared with traditional measuring methods. And its Wi-Fi/Bluetooth connectivity lets you use the Chef IQ app to access hundreds of guided recipes, send cooking parameters to the cooker, and monitor progress from your phone. The intuitive guided cooking system is especially helpful for beginners or anyone who wants step-by-step instructions with precise timing and temperature adjustments. In real-life use, this cooker delivers consistent results for stews, grains, meats, and more. And the smart sensors and auto pressure release add convenience and safety. The build quality feels solid for the price, though the plastic-heavy exterior isn't as premium as some competitors. Compared with traditional pressure cookers, or even some smart models like the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi, the Chef IQ stands out for its built-in scale and guided recipes, but it may lag slightly in raw power or accessory ecosystem. Pros include smart app integration with guided cooking, built-in scale for precise ingredient measurement, 10-in-1 versatility, family-sized capacity, and helpful auto pressure release. While cons include a slightly bulky footprint, a learning curve for app features, reliance on the app for full functionality, and a plastic-forward build that feels less premium than some rivals. Overall, this multi-cooker is ideal for home cooks who want tech-assisted cooking, guided recipes, and precision, without juggling multiple appliances, making it a strong recommendation for busy families and gadget-minded cooks alike. On number 4 is the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. Is a versatile and reliable kitchen workhorse designed to simplify meal prep by combining multiple cooking functions: pressure cook, slow cook, rice cook, steam, sauté, yogurt maker, warmer, and sterilizer into one appliance with an 8-quart capacity that's ideal for families and batch cooking. It also includes app access with over 800 guided recipes that helps beginners and seasoned cooks alike experiment confidently. In real-world use, the Duo Plus delivers consistently tender results with pressure cooking, while its slow cook and steam functions perform well for soups, stews, and vegetables, and the sauté mode eliminates the need for a separate pan. The stainless steel inner pot and user-friendly control panel feel durable and intuitive, though the larger size means it takes up noticeable counter space compared to smaller cookers. Compared with simpler models like the standard Duo, the Duo Plus adds more cooking programs and improved control over settings, giving it a slight edge in flexibility. Pros include excellent multi-function versatility, large family-sized capacity, consistent performance across cooking modes, strong build quality, and extensive recipe support, while cons include a bulky footprint, a learning curve for new users due to many functions, and no dedicated air fryer capability. Overall, this Instant Pot model is great for families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants to replace several appliances with one dependable unit, and it's highly recommended for cooks seeking convenience and adaptability in everyday cooking. On number 5 is the Comfee's 16-in-1 electric pressure cooker, 8 quarts. is a versatile, all-in-one kitchen appliance designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from pressure cooking and slow cooking to steaming, sautéing, making yogurt, rice, and more, thanks to its 16 preset smart programs that simplify meal prep for families and busy cooks. It features a generous 8-quart capacity, suitable for preparing meals for about 6 to 8 people, and a non-stick inner pot that makes cleanup easier after cooking stews, grains, or meats. The control panel is straightforward and easy to use, letting you select functions and set timers with minimal fuss. And it includes safety features, such as lid locks and automatic pressure release for peace of mind. In real-life use, this cooker performs reliably for everyday meals and family dinners, with the presets taking the guesswork out of cooking times for many dishes. Users report it being especially handy for soups, rice, and one-pot meals. The non-stick pot helps prevent food from sticking and speeds up cleaning, although some cooks prefer stainless steel for long-term durability. The 10+ safety features and dishwasher-safe parts add convenience and reassurance. Compared to simpler multi-cookers, the Comfy model's wide range of presets and large capacity offer better flexibility, though it lacks the smart app integration found on more expensive smart cookers. Pros include its 16 versatile cooking functions, large family-friendly capacity, easy-to-clean non-stick pot, intuitive controls, and strong safety features, while cons include the bulkier footprint that takes up counter space, non-stick coating that may wear over time, and fewer advanced features, like app connectivity or sous vide, compared with premium models. Overall, it's a good value multi-cooker for families or home cooks who want an affordable, multifunctional appliance that replaces several single-use pots and delivers reliable performance for everyday cooking.